So instead of focusing कि हम बहुत अच्छा बोले, बहुत ब्यूटिफाई करके बोले, just focus on this thing कि fluency कैसे maintain हो. For that, make sure कि after every word या 2 words pause नहीं आए, 4 to 5 words के बाद एक pause ले लो, make sense. So at least half line आप complete करें pencil. You know, this is the art. अगर आप इसके ऊपर 2 to 3 minutes बोल सकते हो ना, कोई भी topic आ जाए किसी की भी.
It's very inexpensive. You are gonna sign many documents.
We can say the quality is at par or excellent. This is what we
Excellent.
can say.
Because when we start learning, then I usually use pencil. And
Also,
I
it is
mostly
like
use
also there's additional point. There's one more point I would like to add that the benefit of the pencil is that it isn't a permanent. You can erase the writing part, and you can rewrite it.
Good. You were saying.
and it is very helpful in drawing. And mostly painters
Painters or sketch artists.
use pencil mostly rather than using a pen or
Good.
It has advantages with the deep magnets, like it's take much time to shop, which can waste our time.
Okay. Now you guys, अच्छा पार्ट किया आपका, बट जब आपने भी अच्छा अपना शुरू किया था पर्सनल, जो हम बाकी चीज बता रहे हैं, it is helpful and all, that is fine. Why are you talking about this pencil? Out of all the pencils available in the world, why this? A topic, normal thing like an unusual meal you tried. Every day, thrice a day we have a meal. Why are we talking about that specific meal? Why? Where is that touch? That is इसकी description भी importantly. इसके क्या advantages हैं, disadvantages हैं, वो important. Again, everyone can come and talk about this pencil. How would you differentiate? Jack of all trades अभी बोला है, charismatic, enigmatic, or a personality के लिए भी बोल सकते हो. He has an enigmatic personality. Maybe that is the reason he always inspires me. Not just me, but rather everyone. It's a quaint little town, remote areas. It's in the outskirts of the city, not much developed, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Good. और हिंदी भी बोल रहे हो ना यार, पंजाबी भी बोल रहे हो, घर पे भी बोल रहे हो, तो उसमें एक वर्ड इंग्लिश का हम क्यों नहीं ऐड ऑन कर सकते?
बोल तो देते पर एट टाइम में वर्ड्स नहीं माइंड में आते. क्या
अभी बोला नहीं, एट टाइम वर्ड्स नहीं माइंड में आते. इसमें हिंदी ज्यादा थी, इंग्लिश ज्यादा थी. इंग्लिश ज्यादा थी ना, बस जब आपको बोल दो ना एक लाइन पूरी इंग्लिश में बोलो, आप घबरा जाओगे, क्योंकि सोचना काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन who enjoys serenity, peace and tranquil areas. So if I have to specify something that I would really enjoy in my life, then it would definitely be whatever yours. And then start on the topic.
वो बात करें घर पर कौन से एक एरिया, तो उसको.
So you talk about your room. Maybe you can say that, although it is in my room, but I have created a special nook in my room. Nook is a corner, okay? I've specially created a nook in my room, which is by the window. Actually, in my room, there's this big bay window, glass window, which earlier was normal, and I always like to stand over there, enjoy the view. Then one day I got an idea. I was scrolling Pinterest, YouTube, whatever you want to say. I was scrolling Pinterest. I got an idea that I should transform this place and use it a place where I can read, because I'm an avid reader. I love to read a lot, so I wanted to utilize this where I can read, relax, enjoy the winter afternoons, have my cup of tea along. So what I did was I called a carpenter, made a bench around that or under that window, added on few pillows and a comfy cushion on it. Now I've transformed it into my own place. I've beautified it by adding curtains, fairy lights. It's also surrounded with my soft toys and the things that was avid reader, avid reader, avid music listener, avid listener. Normal भी तो बोल सकते हैं, right?